So Alex, this is how I get ready for football. Alright. So I just put on these Nike's cleats. I don't want to put on them now because it's nighttime. But yeah, put on those Nike cleats. Put on these. Is one glove, two glove, and we got the helmet. I'm gonna show you the last. Let me get this. Alright, we have football. The most important thing to throw it. To just see this, you have to hold it. I don't know. You see these lines? Boom. And then you see another line. See those? Boom, bam. 6 side eye. Get the fuck out of here. I'm not playing this game. Alright. And then you have the helmet. You have to put on the right way. Like this. This is how you put on the helmet. Bam. Yaddy! Now let's play some football. First, you have to have some techniques. Ready? Like that. And you have to do side to side so you could. Look, let me show you. Bam! I fell, but yeah. God damn. So guys, you're probably asking if I play football or not. Or you guys. Am I playing football? Yes, I am playing football. I play Ohio State football. The best football league ever. Look at the helmet. You probably noticing. Why does it have lines? It's so the partner in front of you won't hit your face. That's why it has lines between the helmet. Well, I'm gonna put this down because I have football practice tomorrow, Monday morning. So yeah, Monday morning. Everything is for tomorrow. Last time, got tackled really bad. I fell, bumped my forehead. I was bleeding. I think you could see the bruise right there. Yeah, it's a little red. Not that red, but my lip is a little swollen. You see this red part? That's where I bumped it. I was crying, bro. Like, it hurt so bad. Anyways, you have to throw, like, between your ears. Like, oh, damn. I think that almost knocked you guys out. Like this. Oh, God. Sorry, that. Did I knock you guys out? Sorry, damn. You have to throw and catch it like that. Look, like this. Like this. Then when they come, you have to do it like bam. Look, watch this. See how I did it? Bam. Same way, but like boom. There. And then it's gonna happen is yet to have technique. Bye, guys. Stay Rangers, stay football players.